Good morning, dear students. Now today we are going to discuss hydrogen. Right? Hydrogen, symbol of hydrogen. First element in the periodic table. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Atomic mass 1. Right? Occurrence of hydrogen in elemental form and combined form. Elemental form is hydrogen gas, and combined form when hydrogen is combined with other elements. Hydrochloric acid HCl, HNO3, right? Hydrides also. Hydrides, compound of hydrogen where more electropositive element is attached with hydrogen. Right? You know position of hydrogen in the periodic table. Modern periodic table, what is its position? Group number 1. And period number is also 1. Group number 1, period number 1. This is first period. You know, total 7 periods are there. Right? After hydrogen, then lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and last is francium, which is radioactive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Period number of hydrogen is first. Right? Hydrides, it is compound of hydrogen with more electropositive element. And more electropositive element after hydrogen is lithium, then sodium, then potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium is radioactive. Right? Compound of hydrogen with more electropositive like NaH. This is hydride. Ide suffix is written for negative valency. In hydrides, hydrogen shows -1 charge. Its valence is 1. Oxidation state is negative. -1. Right? This one is also combined form. Right? Combined form, the hydrogen shows +1. Positive. This is more electronegative. Okay, children? Different combined forms are given. The hydrogen shows different oxidation states. Isotopes. What do you mean by isotope? When atoms of same element. This is single element, and atoms, the smallest part or the smallest particle. Occurrence or existence of atoms of single element. Right? In different forms. Different forms means their atomic number is same, but atomic mass is different. Atoms of same element having same atomic number and different atomic mass are called isotopes. Right? Hydrogen exists in how many isotopic forms? 3 isotopes. First isotope of hydrogen is protium. What is? 1H1. Scientific notation is 1H1. This is protium. Second is deuterium. And third one is tritium. Occurrence of hydrogen in different isotopic forms which are known as deuterium. First is protium, deuterium, and then tritium. Most stable form, most stable isotope of hydrogen is this one, protium. In any compound of hydrogen or in elemental form, which isotope is present? Protium. This is stable. Unstable or radioactive is this one. This is radioactive. Radioactive or unstable form. What happens? Is spontaneous disintegration occurs. Right? This element is radioactive. This one is deuterium. Use symbol of deuterium is D, like this. D for deuterium. Oxide of deuterium is heavy water. Formula of ordinary water is H2O, but heavy water is D2O, not hard water. Hard means presence of salts as impurities, and heavy water it means oxide of deuterium, which is a D2O. And D2O is used in nuclear reactor. This is addition question, right? Okay. Which isotope of hydrogen is radioactive? Tritium. Which isotope is more stable? Protium. And which isotope of hydrogen is used in this production of heavy water? Deuterium. And oxide of deuterium is D2O. Right? Now children, next one. Hydrides. Hydrides, products of hydrogen with more electropositive elements or metals are termed as hydrides, right? Such products are known as hydrides. On the basis of group number, hydrides are classified in different categories. Ionic hydrides. Ionic, it means hydrides are ionic in nature. And which elements form ionic hydrides? First group and second group elements. S block elements. S block is divided into how many groups? 2. First group elements are electropositive. Second group elements are also electropositive. Then compounds of first and second group elements or alkaline metals and alkaline earth metals. What is alkaline metals and alkaline earth metals are ionic hydrides. Why? Due to presence of ionic bond. For example, hydride of sodium, NaH, his bond is ionic. Right? Hydride of second group, for example, calcium, CaH2. Here valence is +1, -1, formula is NaH. General formula for hydrides of first group element is NH. M for metal, or you can write EH, E for element. Here elements are metal. Second group also metal, right? CaH2, general formula is MH2 or EH2, right? Valency of calcium or second group element is +2 and hydrogen is what is monovalent, -1. Then valence is Ca +2 H -1 cross multiplying CaH2, right? What is the nature of hydrides of S block metals or S block elements? Ionic. Why? Due to presence of ionic bond. Ionic hydrides are also known as saline hydride. Saline. Another name of ionic hydrides is saline. Saline is salt like. Saline hydrides, soluble in water, like ionic compounds. Okay, children? Now next category, second category of hydrides is molecular hydrides. Molecular hydrides are also known as covalent hydrides, right? Due to presence of covalent bond, right? And non-metals form covalent bond. What is the position of non-metals? Right hand side in the modern periodic table or P block. P block elements, right? On the basis of type of molecular hydrides, first category is electron deficient. Electron deficient molecular hydride or electron deficient covalent hydride. Electron deficient 13 group. 13 group it means boron family. boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, helium. Right? Indium, helium like this. Why electron deficient? Atomic number of boron is 5. Electron configuration 2, 3. Incomplete octet. 13, 2, 8, 3. Incomplete octet. Only 3 valence electrons are present. And for completion of octet, it is total. What is maximum number? 8 electrons in valence shell. Formula of hydride is BH2. Boron hydride. But this BH3 exists in dimeric form. Dimeric means hold twice. B2S6. Diboron. Diboron is hydride of boron, which exists in dimer form. Why dimer? Due to incomplete octet. This diboron forms a bridge structure. Bridge means connection between two monomers. Right? Important feature of electron deficient covalent hydride. All are electron deficient due to incomplete octet and they form bridge structure. Right? For example, diboron. BH3 is boron hydride and its dimeric form B2S6 is diboron. The second category is electron precise. Electron precise, 14 group elements. Electron precise for carbon element, silicon, germanium, those elements which are placed in 14th group. Carbon family. I am writing first only or one family here. Like carbon, silicon. Group number is 14. Atomic number of carbon is 6. Electron configuration 2, 4 electrons are required to complete its octet. And well-known hydride of carbon is methane. This is electron precise. Electron precise complete octet. Octet is completion of this octet like this. This is Lewis structure of CH2 or electron dot structure. Completion of this octet. 8 electrons are present. 4 of its own and 4 electrons are coming from 4 different hydrogen atoms. This is electron precise hydride. Like this. Right? And what is its main type? Covalent or molecular hydrogen. But subtype is electron precise hydrogen. Now next is electron rich or electron efficient. 15 group elements form electron rich or electron efficient hydride. 15th group. First element is nitrogen, then phosphorus. Atomic number of nitrogen 7, phosphorus 15. 2, 5, 2, 8, 5. How many electrons are required for completion of octet? Right? The hydride of 15th group is NH3. How many lone pairs are present? Only one lone pair or non-bonded pair. This pair. Hydride of phosphorus is PH3, lone pair of pair. By this dumbbell shape, lone pair electrons are present. This is p block element and electrons, valence electrons are present in which orbital? Orbitals of p subshell, which is dumbbell in shape. Okay children? This is electron efficient hydride or electron rich hydride. 16th group. 16th group, first element is oxygen. Hydride of oxygen, water. Hydride of sulfur, H2S. How many lone pair of electrons are present? 2. This one is also hydride. Electron rich, 2 lone pairs. Number is correct or not? Oxygen atomic number is 8 to 6. Out of 6 valence electrons, only 2 electrons form chemical bond. 2. Out of 6, 2 electrons are participating in this bond formation. Right? How many electrons are left? 4. 4 electrons left, it means 2 lone pairs of electrons or non-bonded pair of electrons. Lone pair of electrons or non-bonded pair of electrons. Next category, in electron rich is halogen family, 17 group. Noble gases, 18 group. Gases are inert. Next group is 17th group. First element is fluorine. Then fluorine. Oxygen is placed in 16th group. Fluorine, atomic number 9, 17, 2, 7, 2, 8, 7. Electron configuration. Only one electron is required. And hydride of fluorine is HF. HF. Right? How many lone pairs are present here? 3 lone pairs. Like this. 1, second, like this. First, 1, 2, 3. 3 lone pairs are present or 6 non-bonded electrons are present. Okay? No hydride formation by 18 group elements. 18 group elements are inert. 18 group is also known as 0 group. Okay, children? Now, third type of hydride is metallic hydride. Which elements are heavy elements or heavy metals? D block, F block. Right? As atomic mass increases, density increases, then softness decreases. Third category is metallic or non-stoichiometric. Non-stoichiometric hydrides. Non-stoichiometric hydrides. D block. D block elements form metallic hydrides, right? D block metals are heavy metals. When this interatomic space of metallic crystal is occupied by hydrogen, then compound is hydride, right? For example, Zn, nickel, right? But what is the ratio of hydrogen in terms of fraction only? Fraction. Fractional ratio, it means non-stoichiometric compound. Non-fractional ratio, it means stoichiometric. Non-fractional, like sodium hydride. Non-fractional. But in this case, fractional like this, hydrogen 1.25 like this, 1.23. Right? It depends upon quantity of hydrogen. This is metal crystal, metal increase plus n number of hydrogen. Then formation of n molecules of H. In which term? Fraction. 0. Like this. This is metal. This is crystal. This is single lattice. Right? This interatomic spaces, empty spaces are occupied by hydrogen gas, then product is hydrogen. Okay, children, this part is important. Which elements form metallic hydrides? Heavy elements, heavy metals, D block and F block. F block also. Right? F block means lanthanides, actinides. Actinides are radioactive elements. After uranium, all are bonded.